we are talking about two interesting companies here. One is SpiceJet and second is IndiGo. Now, what is the common thread here? That in IndiGo there is stake sale which is coming from promoter. In SpiceJet there is a fundraise which is coming via the QIP route. Needless to say that Interglobe Aviation has been in performing stock, and Jefferies feels that despite this overhang which is coming from the Gangwal family, the stock is in a sweet spot. I think one thing IndiGo has demonstrated is the ability to stick on to their market share despite intense competition which was threatening to eat into their market share even from the house of Tatas. IndiGo's market share is intact, crude comes down, the volatility in the stock will reduce, and that in a sense is one of the reasons why Jefferies seems to be liking it. HSBC has a different take on SpiceJet, and I think this again, we did a story yesterday also, an exclusive story that for SpiceJet a QIP is started. But HSBC is of the view that, guys, that money is just going to be a repair capital, which is that will take care of the debt, it will take care of the pending issues in terms of payment challenges, and it will only fix the balance sheet. So it's more like a band-aid approach. It is not going to help SpiceJet revive their market share. And operationally, they have a very simple issue. It's only when you look at the report you realize it, is that Boeing right now is delaying their deliveries. And SpiceJet uses a Boeing-led fleet, and they've run into problems largely because of that, which was that plane which was the Boeing, which in a sense
came a lot of technical issues being reported with that.
Air Max or something, I'm forgetting the name. So because of that, I think Boeing in a sense is really delayed in terms of their deliveries, and this is where SpiceJet would suffer. So the bottom line here is HSBC feels that every uptick in SpiceJet you should use to your advantage to sell the stock. Jefferies feels that every decline in IndiGo you should use to your advantage to add the stock.